Welcome to this module on understanding what our users value. Understanding what our users or customers value is the very first step we take in operational improvement, and it is one of our 5 core principles. Value can only be defined by the end user. It is important to recognize this and know that if we try and define value for them, we run the risk of not meeting our users' expectations and therefore delivering the wrong service or product to them. We know that a user values our service or our product if they are willing to pay for it. So value can essentially be defined as what a user is willing to pay for. So how do we know what they want? We have to ask our end users to specify what it is exactly that they are after. In order to capture value as defined by our user, we need to ask the following 3 questions. We start with what they want. When we know what they want, we are then able to categorize these into service types, and this makes running our services easier and more efficient. Then we ask them how they want it. So what are the characteristics they want or they desire to be present in our service or product? Our job is then to analyze all the information we have collected and translate it into characteristics that we need to implement in our services. Thirdly, we ask them when they want it. So how often are our users interacting with our services? Do they do this daily, several times a day, weekly, or monthly? As you work your way through this course, you will be introduced to tools that you can use to categorize and order your services, as well as group characteristics to understand which ones to add into your services. We will also look at ways that you can undertake demand analysis so that you know the peaks and troughs in your services. So it's all very well asking them these questions, but firstly you have to identify who you're actually asking the questions to. Identifying our users should be done before we can understand what they want. In order to do this, we define something called user groups. So watch the next video to learn some more about Imperial's different types of users.